How to use Hedra AI. I'm going to tell you how to use Hedra AI to make your photos talk, sing, or act. First, go to hedra.com and sign up. Once you're in, choose between creating a video or an image. For videos, upload a video or generate a character using a text prompt. Second, add audio, either by typing text for AI generated speech or uploading your own voice recording. Click generate and wait for the animation to process. You can also fine tune gestures, facial expressions, and camera angles using the character tree model. For images, head to the image tool and select the Flux Dev model. 2. Enter a detailed prompt describing the scene or character you want. Next, click Generate to create the image. Hedra AI is free to use with daily credits, and it's perfect for making content for social media, education, or entertainment.